Error 610 kicking you out of Roblox servers. Let's quash it once and for all. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 610, the issue that can kick you out of games and leave you staring at a memory dump screen. Stick around as we walk through practical solutions to get you back into the game without interruptions. Method 1. flushdns and reset winsock. Roblox Error 610 usually indicates a connectivity issue. So when you are getting such an error, flush DNS and reset winsock because outdated or corrupted DNS records may block Roblox from connecting to its servers. By clearing the cache and resetting winsock, Windows forces a fresh lookup of Roblox's server addresses, often resolving connectivity issues. Here is how to do so. Search for CMD in Windows Search, then right-click on Command Prompt and select the Run as Administrator. Run this command in the elevated Command Prompt window. Once you finish running all the commands, exit Command Prompt and relaunch Roblox and check. Method 2. Change DNS. Next, change DNS. Follow the steps to do so. Press Win+R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste this in the Run command box and press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use these DNS server addresses section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Relaunch Roblox and check if the issue is fixed. Method 3. Clear site data and cookies. When you are getting Roblox Error 610, clear site data and cookies. Doing this can remove corrupted files that cause the error. Here is how to do so. Open your internet browser. Here we are showing the steps using Chrome browser. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time. Check the boxes for cookies and other site data. Cache images and files and download history if you want to. Then click on Delete Data option. Then open browser settings and go to the privacy and security section. Scroll down and select third-party cookies. Then click on See All Data and Permission. In the site data search box, type Roblox. Locate Roblox's stored data. Click the trash can icon to delete all cookies and site data. Confirm by pressing the blue delete button. This will log you out of Roblox, so make sure you know your username and password. Method 4. Repair Roblox app. Repairing the app fixes corrupted files without removing your settings. On your desktop, open the Windows search box, type Apps and open Settings. Select Installed Apps. Search for Roblox in the list. Click Roblox, Advanced Options. Scroll down to the Reset section and click Repair. Wait for the process to finish. If repairing doesn't work, resetting reinstalls Roblox's default settings. Go back to the Advanced Options for Roblox. Scroll down and click Reset. Restart your PC after resetting. Launch Roblox again. The error 610 should now be resolved. Method 5. Clear Roblox temporary data. Next, you can delete Roblox temporary data. Here is how to do so. Press the Windows key +R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste the following command in the Run command box and press Enter. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files in the folder and click on the Delete option. Wait till all the files are deleted from the folder. Once done, exit this window and relaunch Roblox. If you again get the same error, flush DNS. Method 6. Log out and log in. The next thing you can try is logging out and signing back in your Roblox account. Open the Roblox app and click on the profile icon. Scroll down and select the logout option. Now log in again and see if the error is fixed. Also, make sure to only log in from one device. If you are logged in on multiple devices, log out from the other device and see if that fixes the issue. By applying these solutions, you will restore stability and enjoy Roblox without unexpected shutdowns. If this video helped you solve the Roblox Error 610, hit like, subscribe for more practical gaming fixes, and share your own Roblox troubleshooting tips in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.